Welcome back to Python for Beginners with AnnZee Learning. In Lesson 3, we'll learn about variables. Variables let you store information and reuse it throughout your program. They're one of the most important ideas in all of programming. So what is a variable? Think of it as a labeled box that holds a value. You give the box a name, put something inside it, and then use that name whenever you need the value again. Simple, but powerful. To create a variable, write a name, an equals sign, and a value. Here we store the number 25 in a variable called age. When we print age, Python shows the value inside the box, 25. Variables can hold text as well as numbers. Here we store the word Ali in a variable called name. Remember to put quotation marks around text. Printing name gives us Ali. The real power comes when you use variables together. Here we print the word hello, followed by our name variable. Python fills in the value, giving us hello Ali. Change the variable once, and it updates everywhere. You can change what's inside a variable at any time. Just assign it a new value. Here, score starts at 10, then we change it to 20. Python always remembers the most recent value, so it prints 20. Now, variables have a few naming rules. A name can contain letters, numbers, and underscores. It cannot start with a number, and it cannot contain spaces. Break these rules, and Python will give you an error. Good variable names describe what they hold. When a name has two words, connect them with an underscore. This is called snake case. First name is much clearer than just N. Clear names make your code easy to read. A few things to watch out for. Python is case sensitive, so age with a small a and age with a capital A are two different variables. Never start a name with a number, and avoid using Python's own words, like print, as a variable name. Let's put it all together. We create two variables, first name and age, then print them with labels. This is exactly how real programs store and display information. You're writing real Python now. Let's recap. You learned to store values in variables, to hold both text and numbers, to change a variable's value, and to name your variables correctly. Excellent work! In the next lesson, we'll explore data types in more detail, the different kinds of values Python can work with. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to AnnZee Learning. Happy coding!